Introducing the 2025 Cupra Born e-Boost 79 kWh with 231 horsepower and all the latest technology features you could ever need. This sleek 5-door estate in white is not only stylish, but also environmentally friendly with its electric fuel type. From the ambient lighting to the satellite navigation, this car has it all. Safety is a top priority with features like collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can rest easy knowing you're covered. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Contact us at spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information.